Hi, today let's make turmeric cumin rice. Very simple and very easy to make. Now, this is basmati rice which I've taken it. You need to wash it really very well till the water runs clear and then soak it for at least 30 minutes. Now, it's been 30 minutes since I've soaked. Now, let's start making. First, in a pan, I've added in oil. Once the oil has heated, I'm adding in some cumin seeds and give it a good mix. Once the cumin seeds splutters, add in chopped onions and give it a good mix. Here, the onion doesn't need to be too brown. It needs to be slightly brown. So, mix it really very well just till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell goes and the onion turns slightly pink, add in the star ingredient, which is our turmeric powder, and again give it a good mix till all the ingredients and are combined very well. Once the turmeric is mixed very well with onions, add in the soaked basmati rice. Here I have taken 1 cup soaked basmati rice. For 1 cup soaked basmati rice, you need 2 cups of water. So now first what we can do is mix the rice really very well along with the onions and the turmeric powder. Each and every grain needs to be coated really very well with the turmeric. Now the rice has mixed really very well with the turmeric. Now let's add in water. Now here I've added in chicken stock. If you're a vegetarian, you can swap it for the veg stock. If you don't have the stocks, you get the stock powder easily available in the supermarket. Just take it, dissolve it with the hot water and you can make the stock. And now I've added in salt. Check for the salt. Sometimes some stocks have extreme salt, so check for the salt. If it is less, add it. Cover it with the lid till the rice is nice and fluffy and cooked. Finally, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Trust me, this is a very flavorful, very simple recipe. Sometimes biryani or any kind of pulao tends to be very heavy. That time you can make this or serve this rice, and you can just have it just like that with raita or plain like that, or serve it with a dish of your choice. Like, follow and subscribe.